Hello, welcome to the Apps Made Easy video course, a video tutorial that shows you how you can make a mobile app for Android, iOS and Windows platforms without coding. My name is Gloria Moyer and I'm your instructor for this course. Just a quick note, a quick information for you. The platform used for this course is called app3030.com. app3030.com. But right now, app3030 has been changed to appsbuilder1.com. Okay, so appsbuilder1.com is the platform you should use. So if you want to practice in the course of taking the course, you just go to appsbuilder1.com instead of apps3030.com. Okay, so appsbuilder1.com is the right one you should go. So don't be grumbly or angry that you are not finding app30.com or whatever. So the right platform is appsbuilder1.com. Okay, so thank you very much and I wish you the best in the course. If you have any question, do not hesitate to ask. Alright, so during your course of taking the course, there's a place for question and answer. You can see here, browse Q&A is a place for question and answer. So just click on it and you'll be taken to where you can ask your question. You can browse for maybe other questions that other people have asked, or you can ask your own question. Just click here and ask your question, give the description and give the question, and within a few minutes I will answer you. Alright, so thank you very much and I wish you all the best in the course. So once more, the right platform that you should go to in this course is appsbuilder1.com instead of app3030.com. So all the best and see you right inside the course.